A very good morning, students. Today in English we are going to start the supplementary. The name of the supplementary we are going to see is A Childhood in Malabar, a memoir. So what is the name? A Childhood in Malabar, a memoir. So this supplementary was written by Kamala Das. So if you see the end of the supplementary in your textbook, you can see the author name. Who is the author? Kamala Das. So by seeing the name, what you can understand? A childhood in Malabar. That means childhood means Kurandai Parvam. So the earliest stage when being a child. Malabar means it is a place in Kerala, which is a coastal region. Malabar is a coastal region. So it is a place in Kerala. A memoir. Memoir means biography. Ninevu Kuripu. It is about a person to know. So whose biography it is? The author's biography. Who is the author? Kamala Das. So the author wrote about her childhood in Malabar. So that is what we are going to see in this supplementary. So let us see what it is. Students, take page number 84 in your textbook. Let's begin. A Childhood in Malabar, a memoir. So this supplementary was written by Kamala Das. It was someone's birthday at Ambarathal. I am not sure whose. The day there was a cyclone. So Ambarathal means it is a family name. So in the Ambarathal family there was someone's birthday. I am not sure whose. I here indicates the narrator. Who is the narrator? Kamala Das. So she is only telling her childhood in Malabar in this supplementary. So I refers to the narrator. I am not sure whose. So she doesn't know whose birthday it was. That day there was a cyclone. So on that day there was a cyclone. Cyclone means Suravali. At 10, my elder brother and I were invited to the feast there that day. Etten means in Malayalam they will call the elder brother as Etten or Chetan. In Tamil we call it as Anna. Like that in Malayalam they call as Etten. Etten, my elder brother and I. I here refers to the narrator. So the narrator and her elder brother were invited to the feast. Feast means virundu. So on that day they both were invited for that feast. Malati Kuti took us to the serpent shrine before lunch. So Malati Kuti is a person in their house. So she took both of them to the serpent shrine. Serpent means snake, pambu. Shrine means temple, koil. So you can also say it as Puttu Koil. So before lunch, Malati Kuti took both of them to the serpent shrine. We watched Meenakshi Edathi setting out turmeric, milk and bananas for the snakes. So when they went to the temple, what they watched? Meenakshi Edathi. Edathi means in Malayalam they will call their brother's wife as Edathi. So in Tamil we say it as Anni. In Malayalam they call it as Edathi. So Meenakshi Edathi was setting out turmeric, milk and banana. So she was placing turmeric water, milk and bananas for the snake in that temple. Meenakshi Edathi was a distant relative of the Ambarathal family. Being poor, she was dependent on their generosity. So underline the word distant relative ma. Distant relative means Doorathu Sundam. So for the Ambarathal family, Meenakshi Edathi was a distant relative. Being poor, who is poor? Meenakshi Edathi is a poor person. So underline the word generosity. Generosity means Perundanmai. Who is very generosity? Ambarathal family. So because of Ambarathal family's generosity, Meenakshi Edathi depended on them. Ambarathal family depend பண்ணி மீனாட்சி வளர்ந்தாங்க. She was dark skinned and middle aged. Dark skin means கருப்பா இருப்பாங்க. In Kerala most of the people will be very fair, but this Meenakshi Edathi will be dark skinned and middle aged. Middle aged means நடுத்தர வயது, not a very young person or not a very old person. So she is a middle aged person. She spent her time rushing around the house and compound, never stopping to rest, her face perpetually wearing an expression that asked for forgiveness. So rushing around the house means always moving or working in the house continuously without stopping to take rest. எந்நேரமும் வீட்டை சுற்றி வேலை செஞ்சுக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, ரெஸ்டே எடுக்காமல். Face perpetually, underline the word perpetually, that means endless, never end. Endless means that will never end. Wearing an expression means always have an expression. Meenakshi Edithi will always have an expression on her face. What kind of expression? Forgiveness. Forgiveness means mannipu. So if anybody is asking, have you done that work, have you done this work, she will say, yes, I am doing, I will finish the work, like that. She will have an expression on her face and she will work at home and spend her time. She had only certain trivial duties to perform, like welcoming the oracle with an offering of paddy when he came in a procession, lighting all the lamps at dusk, churning the curd and taking out the butter for the children, and drawing designs with rice batter on the door on the day of the Neera festival. So she here refers to the Meenakshi Edithi. She had only certain trivial duties. Underline the word trivial, ma. Trivial means very little value or important. So she have a very few duties to do, like welcoming the oracle with an offering of paddy when he came in a procession. Procession, underline the word procession, that means ஊர்வலம். Oracle means குறி சொல்றவங்க. So if that person is coming, she has to welcome and offer paddy. Paddy means nel. So if that person comes, she has to give paddy. Lighting all the lamps at dusk. Dusk means evening time. So in those days and all, there won't be any lights. So we have to light all the lamps. So in the evening time, she have to light all the lamps. Churning the curd and taking out the butter for the children. Churning means kadairathu. So she has to churn the curd and take out the butter from the curd for the children. And drawing designs with rice batter. Rice batter means arisi maavu. She has to draw design on the door on the day for the Neera festival. Neera festival is a festival celebrated for the nature. So in Kerala, they will celebrate this Neera festival. So during that festival, she has to draw designs on the door with the rice batter. So these are the few duties that Meenakshi Edithi has to do. There were innumerable servants to carry out all other tasks. Underline the word innumerable. Innumerable means countless, that is many. There were many servants to carry out all other tasks. Task means work. However, the family could not have existed happily for a single day without Meenakshi Edithi. Existed means state of living. So even for a single day without Meenakshi Edithi, the family could not live happily. Though there were many servants to do many works, without Meenakshi Edithi, the family could not live happily even for a single day. She was the only one who knew how much paddy should be boiled each time to make enough rice for the household, or how many mundas have been given to the washerman, or when to give the children a purgative. So the Meenakshi Edithi only knows how much paddy should be boiled each time to make enough rice for the household. So how much ever rice needed for the house, she only knows how much paddy should be boiled. We get rice from the paddy. So Meenakshi Edithi only knows how much paddy should be boiled to get enough rice for the house, and how many mundas had been given to the washerman. So in the olden days, washermen will come to the house and they will collect the clothes to be washed. Mundas means veshti. So men and women also wear mundas. So the washerman will come and collect. So Meenakshi Edithi only knows how much mundas has been given to the washerman, or when to give the children a purgative. Purgative means it is a medicine given to the children to clean their stomach. So Meenakshi Edithi only knows when to give this purgative to the children. Meenakshi Edithi only knows these things. So that is why the family could not live happily even for a single day without Meenakshi Edithi. Why isn't the snake coming? I asked. Why isn't the snake coming means why the snake is not coming. I asked, I refers to the narrator, Kamala Das. So the narrator is asking why the snake is not coming. Snakes never come out when human beings are watching, child. The black Krishna Sarpam will glide out as soon as we go away, said Meenakshi Edati. So when the narrator asked why the snake is not coming, Meenakshi Edati said when human beings are watching, the snake will not come out. The black Krishna Sarpam, that is a black snake, will glide. Glide means naluvi varadu. So the black snake will come out when they go away. So when they move out of that place only, the snake will come. Who is saying all these things to whom? Meenakshi Edati is saying all these things to the narrator. I began to feel sleepy after lunch. I refers here to the narrator. So after the lunch, the narrator started feeling very sleepy. Malati Kuti came back with us to Nalapet. So Malati Kuti is the person who took the narrator and her brother to the serpent shrine, to the temple. So she also came back with them to Nalapet. So Nalapet is the place where the narrator was living. Barely an hour after we got home, we heard the sound of the gale. Barely an hour after means almost after 1 hour they reached home. They heard the sound of the gale. Gale means balatta kaatru, a strong wind. So they heard the sound of the strong wind after they reached the home. The wind tore through the coconut palms in the southern compound with a frightening roar. So when there is a strong wind, if you see the coconut trees, because of the wind, the palms and all will be shaking and it will make a very scareful sound. Like that, in the southern compound, there was a frightening roar. Like it was a very scareful sound because of the wind touring through the coconut palms. The dry leaves that had collected around the pond swirled upwards belligerently. So the dry leaves which was around the pond, swirled means twisted. So twisted upwards, belligerently means very aggressive way, akroshathudan. So the leaves and all which was around the pond, so it twisted upwards very aggressively. Branches shook. Shook means nadungudu, like the branches were shaking. The seat of the swing that hung from the ilanji tree fell down. Underline the word hung. It is the past tense of hang. Tonga vitrinda. So there was a swing which was hung on the ilanji tree, that also fell down. That's all for today's class, students. In the next class, we will see the remaining. Thank you, children.